Orang. Boleh tak kita mula sekarang?
Boleh doktor.
Boleh ya.
Boleh doktor.
Bukan nak tunggu kan lagi lama kan. Saya pun dah pening-pening dah hari ni. Sebab bukan kata student je pening-pening. Lecturer pun pening-pening juga. Ni untuk lecture. Mana tadi? Oh yang ni dah buka dah rupanya. Sekejap ya. Bila banyak sangat benda ni kan dia macam lambat dah komputer saya. Okay, so nampak skrin ni? Aduh, sekejap. Ambil dekat bawah lah sayang, ambil dekat bawah. Okay, semua nampak kan skrin?
Tak doktor.
Tak ada doktor.
Tak ada doktor.
Yeah. Alamak ni.
Tak ada skrin apa.
Oh, sebab saya tak share. Itulah. Dah banyak sangat. Baru nak start share. Okay, jap semula
Alright, boleh
Ni nampak kan? Okay, jap.
Nampak.
Saya besarkan skrin. Okay, so awak berada dalam kelas PIC 21203 Web Development. Okay, so saya just nak terangkan sedikit mengenai course overview. Okay, nama saya lah ni, Dr. Norazatul Dayu Kamarudin. This is my contact number. By right, okay, sekejap Okay, contact number saya ni yang sekarang awak message yang ni kan, sebenarnya ada lagi satu, 0134348615. Sebenarnya saya buat secondary number ni untuk office lah, which is untuk student dengan our faculty members punya hal-hal universiti lah kan. Nanti mungkin sometimes you would find me that message using this number lah, sebab bila saya ada satu nombor ni sebenarnya macam banyak sangat dengan family ke apa kan, jadi macam crowded lah. So saya ambil lagi satu nombor, tapi mungkin awak akan tengok lah akan datang, sometimes saya akan message melalui nombor ni. Okay, so this is my email, norazia@uthm.edu.my and my office location level 3. Okay. So this is the course synopsis, web application development. You'll be learning on the web application development, and you also will be learning about HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheet, JavaScript, database management system, DBMS, database connection and the current web technology. Okay, bila kita cakap pasal web, memang benda ni interrelated each other. Okay, kalau you kata web development memang kena ada HTML, dia kena ada CSS, dia kena ada JavaScript, dia ada kena DBMS. DBMS ni untuk dia punya database lah. Okay, then how that you can do the database connection. So this is roughly the things that you are going to learn lah for this subject. Okay, so this is learning outcome. By end of the course, you will be learning about, you will be able to identify web development requirements according to standards. Okay. The requirements lah in order for you to develop the web application using appropriate technology following user requirement, and the last one, demonstrate web development skills in work environment. For sure lah, kalau katakan lepas awak habis belajar nanti, awak sekarang di semester 5 most of you. Ke semester 6? Semester 5
5 doktor.
Okay, bila awak habis nanti, bila awak graduate, walaupun awak bidang BIM, it's good that you have a lot of knowledge, not only in terms of multimedia saja. Sebab macam kita kan bahagian multimedia computing kan, you tak tahu dekat mana you akan bekerja sekarang ni. Maksudnya macam lepas you habis you punya degree nanti, you akan mungkin you boleh jadi web developer, you boleh jadi multimedia developer ataupun software engineer. Okay, that's why we encourage student to learn everything lah. Okay. So this is the program learning outcome. This is the program learning outcome. You're able to apply analytical and critical thinking skills using appropriate techniques in the field of web technology to solve the problems. Able to use various application, technology, media information to support learning and employment, and you're able to apply the skills and lifelong learning in the learning and career development. So this is the thing lah. Bila kita belajar sometimes macam student tak tahu kenapa you kena belajar benda ni sedangkan you are in multimedia fields. But then is supposed that I want to advise is that you never know yet fields yang you akan join lepas you habis degree. So better that you make a study lah, deep study lah kan. This is for yourself lah. Okay, this is the Bloom taxonomy. Semua dengarkan suara saya?
Dengar doktor.
Okay, nice. Okay, so if you see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, untuk level degree, sebenarnya you bermula daripada C1. Okay, yang ni kita panggil cognitive level lah, cognitive level untuk Bloom taxonomy. Okay, C1, normally for the diploma and degree level, we are encourage the students and we are evaluating the students based on C1 until C4. Tapi ada juga sometimes, ada student baru join. Okay. Mana tadi? Ya. Okay. Okay, so normally we encourage we are not evaluating the student. Okay, evaluating means kalau katakan soalan exam ke ataupun soalan assignment ke ataupun group project ke, we are evaluating the student normally from C1 until C4. Okay, C5 and C6 sometimes ada tapi tak banyak. Okay, sebab level C5 and C6 ni is actually normally for those who are in master level and also PhD level. Sebab bila level PhD level dia kena come with something new. Okay, come with something. So for the level of diploma and degree kita hanya encourage until ni lah. Okay, pencapaian untuk students lah kan. Okay, so kalau you tengok, remember is the bottom last, the lowest part in this cognitive level lah for this Bloom taxonomy. That means you just need to recall facts and basic concept. For understand, you know, okay, you're able to classify, you're able to describe. For apply, you manage to execute, okay. For analyze, you manage to differentiate, okay, and etc. lah. This is the keyword. And for level 5 and level 6, you have to need to justify the your stand or your decision. Okay, and last one for level 6, produce a new original. This one I told you as more for the level of PhD level students lah. Okay, maybe in the final exam, there would be a little bit question of evaluate. It can be lah, but that is not that much. Sebab dia dah melebihi level kan. Maksudnya, kalau ada semua soalan dalam 1-2 lah, so kita tak akan bagi dia punya soalan banyak-banyak sebab you all degree level, so kita kena dalam that level lah, kita have to remain on that level. Okay, so this is for the Bloom taxonomy. Okay, this is about our course outline. Okay, so in this semester we have 14 weeks. So by right kita ada 14 chapter kan. Sorry, not 14 chapter. I think tak sampai 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chapters only. Tapi setiap chapter tu kadang-kadang ada yang banyak sebab tu kadang-kadang you tengok kat sini ada week 1, kita just introduction, right? Okay, for today kita ada lab kan. Lab saya tak akan masuk chapter lah. Saya hanya terangkan secara roughly saja. And then week 2 and 3 we have markup language and week 3 we have quiz 1. Okay, then for M5 we have style sheet. For 6 and 7, week 6 and 7 we have client-side scripting and you're going to have your test, midterm test. And for week 8 and week 9 you will be learning on server-side scripting and you have quiz 2. For week 10 you are going to learn about graphics. 11 and 12 database access. 13 and 14 web technology development. And this week we're going to have the project presentation. And week 15 is the study week, and onward we are going to face your final examination. So roughly, this is the things that you are going to cover in this whole semester lah. Okay, saya harap anak-anak murid saya dalam kelas ni, insyaAllah lah you boleh score sebab subjek ni tak susah sangat, kan? Bagi saya tak susah lah. Lagi-lagi kalau saya rasa kalau orang yang bahagian multimedia, I think you are facing more kan. You have to do the graphic. So it's like little bit more harder lah. Sebab macam yang ni web development ni tak susah sangat. Ya, anak saya ni suka tanya saya soalan tengah saya kelas. Sekejap. Sorry ya, iklan. Okay, so yang tu roughly lah mana tadi. Okay, ni tadi yang kita punya outline. So for the assessment part, we have 5% for quiz. That means quiz 1 and quiz 2, we have 2 quiz, but then we just take 5% from each lah. So we just make it like summarization, how much the percent, how much that we got for both quizzes. Test, only 15%. For lab assignment, 20%. For project, 20%. And final exam would be 40%. So if you see, I think this one is more or less the same with other subjects. For your career marks, quiz, test, lab assignment and project, all of it concluded by 60%. So only final would be 40 lah. Okay. So benda ni saya rasa kalau katakan awak nak score, awak betul-betul buat untuk career marks awak lah. Okay. Final exam 40%. Final exam we cannot help much lah because kalau selalunya kalau lecturer dia akan kalau nak tolong student on this part. For the final exam we cannot help because it's already there and it's under audit kan. So kita tak boleh nak tolong student sangat lah. Okay, so selalu saya ingat ke student, kalau you nak score, better you score on this 60%. So buat betul-betul lah, buat yang sehabis baik. Okay. Okay, this is the references. Okay. You may find out these references from online. Okay, I don't ask you to buy ya. Tapi kalau katakan you nak tengok buku ni, cuba cari dalam bentuk PDF. Okay, sebab selalunya buku-buku macam ni kalau you nak beli pun agak mahal pricey. So no need to buy lah. Okay, even more I think kalau web punya subject, you able to just find the knowledge from the internet also. You don't have to much worry lah. Okay, so any question for now? Ada tak soalan? Setakat ni.
Doktor,
Ya.
untuk subjek ni ada berapa assignment ni?
Yang tu saya tak sure.